Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unbagging my Ipsy bag. So this is what the bag looks like. Now I have to be a little bit careful because mine actually came a little messed up. What is this? The Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel, which is the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag. This was actually busted, so I had stuff all over everything. Now, Ipsy is really great about customer service. They are already sending me out a new bag, but I at least did want to go over everything that I got in my bag because I will be getting the same items anyways. So we are going to, let's see here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over everything. I will use some items in the bag and some I will not, like the cleansing gel, because it is busted open. I am not going to use that, but I will at least put into, I'll try to remember to put into the comments down below whenever I do receive my new product. I'll try it out and let you know what I think about it. Now the first thing that we will do, this was actually in the big bag part of it that comes, because obviously this was not going to fit in my little Ipsy bag. This is the 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. This is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. I love face masks. They are like my kryptonite. They are the best things in the world. So we are going to put this on, and then after the allotted time, which is, holy moly, 20 minutes. Usually they're no more than 10 or 15, but okay. So we're gonna do 20 minutes of this on my face. So let me go ahead, get my hair out the way real quick. Alrighty. I'll pull this bad boy out. Okay then. It's actually like a color to it. Interesting. Let's see if I can't get this on my face. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it feels so weird. There's so many layers. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna make a mess real quick. Give me just a moment. Alright. So, this is what it looks like. It's kind of like one of those rubbery feeling ones, which is weird. And it's very hard to hold on to. Oh, and it's so cold. So cold. I'm having like serious issues with getting this where it's supposed to be because it's so hard to hold on to and so weird feeling. You know those lip mask things? That's what this feels like, and hence the reason nothing is staying where it's supposed to. It just slides off your face. So we're gonna wait the 20 minutes. Custom 20. If you hear a high-pitched squeaking noise, that is my new hedgehog. It is a male. He is in the cage with the female courting her, so he has been singing to her non-stop for like 3 days now. And she's been playing very hard to catch, and it's driving me insane. But hopefully in the end, I will have hedgehog babies by Father's Day. That is what my goal is. Alright, so I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes once this sets out on my face, and then we're going to move on with the video. So I'll be back. Alright, so it has been about 20 minutes now, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to peel this off. Oh. Okay. Now I didn't really read anything on it. Obviously I just stuck it right on my face, which is probably not the best thing in the world for me to do. I don't know if it had anything in there that I could have been allergic to. So we're gonna read what this thing was supposed to do. So it's a mask enhancing absorption of moisture to create the protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. The hydrogel mask in combination with 24 karat gold and damask rose extract works a powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. And just kind of grazing over everything, I don't see. Okay, yeah, I don't. Yeah, it's okay. It says free of sulfates, so we're good. I won't break out. That's what I wanted to see. Alright, so basically it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I could totally use that, especially up here. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance and brightens uneven skin tones, rejuvenates nutritious lackluster skin, and reinforce and protect skin barrier functions. So that's what all that bad boy did for us. Oh. Alright, so moving right along, the next thing I got in the bag was some Pretty Woman nail polish. This is in the color, I do not know. Alright, so the next thing we got in the bag was this nail polish. This is from Pretty Woman. The color is Electric Love. I already have polish on, so I can't try this on today. But I do have a couple of other colors from Pretty Woman. I do like the polish. It works pretty well, so I'll probably eventually trade up and go to that color there. So what I'm going to do next is I feel like my face is for the most part dry. It's a little tacky from that face mask, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put on my face makeup, and then I'm going to come back and we are going to talk about the last two things in the bag, and we are going to try those on as well. So I'll be back again in just a moment. Alright, so I have a little bit of face makeup on, did a little bit of bronzing. So the last two items that I have in my Ipsy bag, the first one is from Elizabeth Mott, Pop Goes the Shadow. This color is in Mermaid Teal. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the color looks like. It is super pretty. Let me swipe it on my hand here so you can see. Really, really pretty color. This is what we're going to be putting on. It's kind of almost a, what do they call it? Where the color changes? I don't know. My brain's not working. But it kind of goes from like a blue to a yellow. We're going to see how this works on its own, or if it's going to need to be wet. Alright, so there we go. Duochrome was the word I was trying to think of. It actually goes on quite nicely without even having to spray it and wet it, so that's nice that you don't really need to do that. Come out of my aisle. Alright, and then the last thing that we have in the bag is from NYX, and it's a soft matte lip cream. This one is in the color Monte Carlo. I don't know why I just opened it, but this is what it looks like. I do believe, let me check. I was almost positive that I actually have this color. I might have given it away, I'm not sure. It is still a very pretty color though. I will go ahead and try it on since I can't find the one that I thought I owned. Alright. And it doesn't fully dry down, but it is a matte. It feels very soft on the lips, hence the soft matte lip cream. I do like the formula. It's just the fact that it is still a bit transfer proof is the only thing that I don't care for. I tend to like my makeup to stay put. But this is what I have. So we have the eyes. We have the lips. I think that was pretty much all that I could, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was pretty much all that I could use in my Ipsy bag for this month. So I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to the my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you will be reminded when I upload next. Also, if you like watching these videos where I unbag or unbox a subscription and try it on the product, please don't forget to like this video so that way I know to continue doing it. You have a great day, and I thank you again for watching. Bye.